Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviews Heaven. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best food vacuum sealers on the market. If you're looking to keep your food fresh longer, reduce waste, and save money, this video is for you. We'll be reviewing the Nesco Deluxe Food VS12, GERYON Vacuum Sealer Machine, Bonsenkitchen Vacuum Sealer, Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer, and the FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer Machine. Each of these sealers offers unique features like powerful motors, versatile modes, compact designs, and user-friendly interfaces. Stay tuned to find out which one is the best fit for your kitchen needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome reviews. Number 1. Nesco VS12 Deluxe Vacuum Sealer. First, we're diving into a detailed review of the Nesco Deluxe Food VS12 Vacuum Sealer. If you're eager to extend the shelf life of your food and reduce waste, this compact yet powerful appliance could be a fantastic addition to your kitchen. The Nesco VS12 boasts a robust 130-watt motor with a double vacuum pump, ensuring maximum air extraction for optimal food preservation. With its 3 versatile seal settings, dry, moist, and double, this vacuum sealer is equipped to handle a variety of foods, including liquids. You can also choose between normal and gentle vacuum pressure, perfect for protecting delicate items from being crushed. One of the standout features of the VS12 is its user-friendly design. The easy lock handle allows for smooth, one-handed operation, making the sealing process quick and hassle-free. Additionally, the built-in bag cutter and roll storage compartment, complete with a clear viewing window, offer added convenience. This feature allows you to create custom bag sizes and keeps your supplies neatly organized. Included with the vacuum sealer are 2 bag rolls, one measuring 8.6 inches by 9.85 feet and another at 11.8 inches by 9.85 feet. These rolls are perfect for getting started, and the VS12's compatibility with any brand of vacuum sealer bags means you have plenty of options for future use. Overall, the Nesco Deluxe Food VS12 Vacuum Sealer combines power, versatility, and ease of use in a compact design. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to keep their food fresher for longer. Number 2. GERYON Vacuum Sealer Machine. Now, we're taking a closer look at the GERYON Vacuum Sealer Machine. If you're seeking a reliable way to preserve your food, reduce waste, and save money, this compact and efficient vacuum sealer might be just what you need. The GERYON Vacuum Sealer removes air from specially designed bags using multi-layer material heat seals. This helps keep air out, prevent freezer burn, and reduce spoilage. It also makes cooking and meal preparation easier, more economical, and faster. With 2 sealing modes, the GERYON Vacuum Food Sealer provides the best possible preservation for different types of food. You can even reseal bags of rolls and snacks, giving you flexibility in your kitchen. One of the highlights of the GERYON Vacuum Sealer is its separated design, which allows you to take off the upper lid for easy and safe cleaning. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to store and move around, fitting up to 12-inch width GERYON or other brand vacuum sealer bags and rolls. The fully automatic vacuum sealing operation, soft-touch digital buttons, and LED indicator lights on the top panel provide a user-friendly experience. Included in the starter kit are an air suction hose, 5 heat seal bags, 7.8 inches by 11.8 inches, a roll, 7.8 inches by 78 inches, a user manual, and the vacuum sealer itself. Plus, GERYON offers lifetime support, ensuring you have assistance whenever you need it. So, if you're in the market for an efficient and easy-to-use vacuum sealer to keep your food fresh, the GERYON Vacuum Sealer Machine is definitely worth considering. Number 3. Bonsenkitchen Dry Vacuum Sealer Machine. Now, we're reviewing the Bonsenkitchen Vacuum Sealer, a compact and efficient solution for your food preservation needs. This user-friendly machine uses a simple 5-button control system to remove air from bags in just 10 to 12 seconds, extending food freshness up to 8 times longer than traditional methods. The Bonsenkitchen Vacuum Sealer offers versatile modes, including seal and dry options. The seal mode keeps dry foods fresh for up to 25 days, while the dry pump mode is great for nuts, snacks, fruits, and veggies. For best results, Use Bonsenkitchen's professional bags with deep airway tracks. This vacuum sealer also provides airtight storage solutions, compatible with canisters and containers to reduce oxidation and keep foods fresher longer. It prevents aromas from dissipating and protects valuables by eliminating air exposure. Measuring just 15.7 by 3.9 by 6.5 inches and weighing only 2.6 pounds, this compact sealer is easy to store and move. Its button controls and LED indicator make operation straightforward. The starter package includes the vacuum sealer unit, an instruction manual, a foam seal, 5 vacuum bags, an air suction hose, and detailed tutorial guides. So, if you're in the market for a reliable and efficient vacuum sealer, the Bonsenkitchen Vacuum Sealer is definitely worth considering. Number 4. Anova Culinary Precision Vacuum Sealer. Now, we're taking a look at the Anova Culinary ANVS01 US00 Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer. If you're into sous vide cooking or simply want to extend the freshness of your food, this vacuum sealer is a fantastic tool. Vacuum sealing is essential for sous vide cooking, ensuring no air enters the bag, keeping food fully submerged, and sealing in maximum flavor. Plus, the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer makes meal prep easy by allowing you to seal, freeze, and store food for later use. The Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer is incredibly user-friendly. Just place your food in an Anova vacuum sealer bag, season it, insert the open end into the sealer, and press a button to remove the air and seal the bag. It also has separate air pulse and seal functions for added convenience. This compact and reliable vacuum sealer comes with 10 pre-cut Anova bags to get you started. Designed to complement the Anova Precision cookers or any other sous vide circulator, this sealer helps you achieve restaurant-quality results at home. The Anova app provides thousands of free sous vide recipes, perfect for cooks of all skill levels. With a 5-year warranty and a 100-day money-back guarantee, the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer is a great investment for your kitchen. Number 5. FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer Machine. Now, we're reviewing the FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer Machine, an excellent tool for anyone looking to preserve food and reduce waste. This machine is designed to keep your food fresh for up to 3 years in the freezer while maintaining its original taste. One of the standout features of the FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer is its automatic bag detection, which makes sealing incredibly easy and efficient. With its built-in roll cutter, you can create custom-sized bags, minimizing bag waste. The dual heat sealing strips ensure a consistent and airtight seal every time, preserving your food perfectly. Durability is a key aspect of this vacuum sealer, as it's backed by a 5-year limited warranty. It's also accessory-friendly, compatible with the handheld sealer and other FoodSaver accessories, providing versatility for various sealing needs. Whether you're storing everyday food, preserving leftovers, or bulk shopping, this machine has you covered. Included in the package are an 11 by 10-foot vacuum seal roll, 3 1-quart pre-cut vacuum seal bags, 2 1-gallon pre-cut vacuum seal bags, and an accessory hose, making it a complete starter kit. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile vacuum sealer to keep your food fresh and save money, the FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer Machine is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the top 5 best food vacuum sealers. We hope this helps you find the perfect one for your kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Reviews Heaven, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Thanks for watching.